How to use Pop in Wizz app. So Pop is a new feature in Wizz app. It's similar to Be Real. It's basically like a Be Real in Wizz app. So the idea is that first of all, you need to go to settings and make sure that you enable notifications for Wizz app. And every day you will get just one notification per day from Wizz app. Asking you to post your mood or something like that. Okay, let's just try again because I just enabled it. Yep, so also you can just go here and then you just search for Wizz app, and then you can enable notifications and time-sensitive notifications. Also enable them for this feature to work properly. And then you have Wizz app, and then you will get a message like, what's your best feature, or some other question or something like that. And then you have 5 minutes to post about it, and then you just need to post a text message. And yeah, you can add GIFs, and that's it. You don't need to post video or photo, you just post your reply. And then you can see what your friends are posting, and your friends also receiving the same notification at the same time. You can also find friends. Yeah, so that's what you can do. Yeah, so try out this new feature. You can find it in the Pop tab here in the bottom right.